Bentley wants to grab a record for racing up Pikes Peak in an SUV. The vehicle will be a Bentayga SUV packing 600 HP and 664 lb-ft of torque. The beastly SUV will be piloted by celebrated racing driver Rhys Millen. Bentley expects to grab a production SUV class record, and the Bentayga has been built and prepared by Bentley Motorsport. The SUV uses the same W12 engine as the stock car but has a full roll cage, onboard fire suppression system, racing seats, and harnesses inside. The tires will be supplied by Pirelli and the vehicle will use a custom exhaust. Most of the Bentayga is stock with air suspension, 4/8V active anti-roll control, and other touches. The Bentayga is painted in radium satin paint with black chrome brightwear and a full carbon fiber body kit. The vehicle is in high-speed testing now.